You've done it again, Lord. You've done it again. You are good and you are mighty and you are merciful. And you keep taking care of me when I don't deserve it. Praise you, me Jesus. When I don't deserve it. You are Lord. Give me another one, Lord. Guide me to who you want me to help. Raise up more that will call upon your name. Raise up those that love you and seek you and trust you. Raise them up, Lord, raise them up. Lord, we need a generation of believers who are not ashamed of the gospel. We need an army of believers, Lord, that hate to be lukewarm and will stand on your word above all else. Raise them up, Lord, raise them up. I pray for unity among those that love you. I pray that you open their eyes so that they can see your truth, Lord. I pray for your hand of protection and guidance. Raise up a generation, Lord, that will take light into this world, that will not compromise when under pressure, that will not cower, Lord, when others fall away. Raise them up, Lord, that they will proclaim that there is salvation in the name of Jesus Christ. Raise up warriors, Lord, who will fight on their knees, who will worship you with their whole hearts, Lord. Lord, call us to that we may proclaim King of Kings and Lord of Lords. I pray these things with all my heart. Raise them up, Lord, raise them up.
Oh, Chad, what is going on, baby? We got my boy Mo feeling it there. The bars coming right there at him. But that was a little booster there, guys, bringing in the energy for Wall Street sessions. Hope you guys are ready for this one. It is going to be a banger. We're only just going to get started. It is FOMC day. So definitely going to see some volume come, and let's just hope we are on the right side of things. JV, you ready for round 2, brother?
My dumbass had the wrong headphones on.
Oh, well, I mean, you can't talk without the headphones on.
But yeah, I'm ready.
Hey,
I'm good.
There we go. We're just going to put it down a little bit there for you guys now, just so you can hear while we do our quick run through of everything. But we are ready to go. We have got the vibes, we got the energy, we got the spirit there with us. It's gonna be a good one. Quick, just running through the chat to see all the fam that's made it pull through so far. Etienne, no doubt in that one. Vince, Blom, Kitty, Kiosh, Jex, Amina, Ruben, Slashy, Persistent AB, Jex, Steve Yarkorp, that random kid, Olmoski, Sam N. Who else are we missing? Yeah, Forex, Money Machine, Atomic Habits, Daniel Pretorius. What's up, guys? Always good seeing you guys here. Thanks for joining in. let's run through this thing. Let's get started. So yeah, guys, nothing really changed too far as of yet from the DXY. If we look here, we are still very much bullish, breaking above that support level on the 4 hour. We are still also, again, big closure above. Now with this here, we can possibly see if we're going to get that little bit of a retest and then trade back up after that. Again, I don't think this round of it, I must say, London probably was the better shot. New York, I think if we're going to get a shot, it's going to be pretty quick. It's going to be in and out, purely because I do think we're going to get a lot of consolidation coming up to FOMC. So I think literally this window of like 3:30 to literally 4, just after 4, like that's your prime time. We need to either get that trade, get in, or that's it. So yeah, we're going to play our cards right, see what can happen there. But obviously we are looking for that pullback on DXY and then the trade back to the top side. Then we go over to gold. We are still quite bearish on the day. So again, we can see that sell off coming in. We spoke about this morning. We want to see, if we get that break under the 4 hour. So definitely could see something where we might take the sells over here if we get that retest. So coming over to things, let's see on the 30 minute. Again, also closure below there. I'm really liking this, guys. If we get a nice bit of a pullback with that DXY pullback, if we can retest and hold, I'll definitely look to go short again on the side here with gold. So we'll just see what happens over here. So yeah, if we can trade up to there, then trade off and see those sells come in. So we definitely keep an eye out over here. I think that's going to be our area for retention today on gold. Then over to NAS. NAS obviously very, very much extended, are quite bullish on the day. But as I said to you guys, I'm not bullish. You'll see US 30 I'm bullish, US 30 I'm bullish, but NAS I'm just waiting for a confirmation. At this point in time, I'm literally just neutral, if you actually want to call it that. So we'll even change that there for you guys. We literally are neutral depending on what's going to happen tonight with the FOMC. So on the 4 hour though, that is looking a lot more bullish. We've had the break, held the support, and a big push to the top side. So we're just going to drop that down a little bit more there. So yeah, this is looking very much bullish, but again, we can have those retests now. We haven't retested Asia high since we broke away. So could have a retest there, and obviously if we come back into the Asia range, very likely having that quick down movement for that daily pivot, EQ or so forth. Where even then you can still go bullish after that. So very, very much a neutral one for me over there. Then US 30. US 30 we've actually been bullish the whole day. This is the better one of the two, purely because we had our trade bullish. The next day breaking those level resistance 2 levels and breaking our highest daily closure. So that's what we're going to be taking a look at. But on the 4 hour we have now had a pullback, so we can see this over here. If you want to look at it, this little 4 hour level of support. So we can see exactly where that comes in over there. And that's what we're going to be taking attention of. So we did get that break right under there. Going over to the 30 minutes. Let's just see. Can we just refine this a little bit for us? I'll probably look at that. So there you don't get your break, but inside the next candle and then flip. So we haven't had a retest of it as yet. So if we are going to go sells, I would maybe like a retest of this zone before we take the sells. Otherwise, trading back up, get above that zone, and then look to go long again from there. So pretty much that's what I'm going to look for today. But as I say, we want to get in and out of these moves very, very quickly today. What's it, Jeff? What you looking at, brother?
So similar to earlier, still waiting for DXY to actually sweep this low. As you can see, there's this little green line over here. This is March's open, and we are rejecting that level. So if we can just get some sort of change of character that can actually close below this level, if we can have something like this, I'd expect price to pull back a bit and then continue this drop. And the way I see it is, I would like to see the news come out bullish, but before that, obviously want to induce that fake move to the downside. So if we can trade back down towards this Asian lows, the zone I spoke about this morning, and potentially then look for buys from this level, that would be ideal. So I'll be bearish on this session. And on EU, I want to see EU basically trade down a bit now. We have tapped into this green zone, but I don't trust it just yet. Because if you go to the 15-minute chart, you would see that slightly below it, I have another zone down here at the S3. So yeah, man, I don't want to take this risk before the news. As you can see, we are pushing up, but I still don't trust this dollar strength over here. Then also on GU, you would see price has reached the S1, slightly below it. Yes, the daily S1, fair value gap, and the demand zone. So initially over here, I want to see price form a lower low, so that we can get into this trade for potential long, something like that. And then on gold, this morning we discussed this on the 15-minute chart. Price has stepped into my demand zone, but unfortunately I have missed that. And also we do have this fair value gap over here. However, also I don't trust this level, because initially I want to see them sweep this low, and also this pivot over here is in untested. Now initially, if we can have a break of structure continue to the upside, meaning something like this, a clean close above this level, then I would consider the longs, because then once you can close above, just expect that pullback back into this level, then I would look for a potential long. But we will wait and see what gold holds for us. UJ is also waiting over here. If we can have some sort of change of character to the downside and break below this level, I would then consider a potential sell. As long as price leaves us with some sort of fair value gap and supply, we should be good. So basically something like this. On USD this morning as well, as I told you guys, if you can see price tap into the supply zone, might look for a sell, but unfortunately no tap in. So on USD, I will stay neutral on the session until I have more clarity where price wants to go. Same with Nasdaq. We have the weekly R1 over here, daily R1, yesterday's high, the supply zone. So I want to see price trade up and then trade down basically. So very, very simple. GJ, we can see that price is moving up. We can see this double top liquidity sitting over here now. So a lot of people might be chasing this move to the downside, but initially I would like to see price tap the supply zone and then continue towards the downside. Oil over here. So here we have that sweep change of character. However, with price, so initially I always want to see that sweep. Just give me a sec. And there we have it. So if we can have a change of character come through now over here, that would be ideal for us to potentially go long. So if we can see a closure above this level, as I can see over here already, kind of have that fair value gap at the pivot. We want to see price now is break above this high, retrace, and then look to go long potentially. Very, very simple. Okay, key is just a bit busy, but I am here. I don't know why it does this. I don't know. Welcome, Ashlyn. Yeah, jigs. Part of my vocabulary. I can't get it out of me.
Alright. So I just want to try and get this here that I can show my brother. I saw I had a question about it. I'm just trying to see if we can do this in a way for you guys. Let's see. Which screen is this thing on that I need here? I'm just trying to do something here, chat quickly. Don't worry about me. Why does it not? I'll put it there on my screen on that for you guys. I'm just trying to see if I can figure this out for you guys. We have a little thing here for the economic calendar. I just want to see if I can get this thing to lock in. So yeah, I'm just trying to play around here with this thing for you, then I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. That way then you guys will be able to see. So this thing's a mission. Oh my word, it can do that. I don't know that. Okay, hold on, Chad. We are literally playing around with this. We're gonna figure this thing out here for you guys. Nope. Alright, that's that.
What's up, Slushy? Welcome, Ed.
Okay, we'll figure it out, guys. I'll figure out sometime how to get that working for you guys. But basically, to answer NTO what it is, so it's a news terminal, bro. So in a very simple part, news terminals are basically it just gives you a bit more advanced. So like we're using Forex trader, things like that. This is just going to give you a much bigger outlook. Does that make sense? So end of the day, you just are getting a better outlook. You're going to see things like the minimum, the maximums. You're going to see exactly what the routers polls are looking like, so how they're coming about it. You're going to be looking at when there's a decision, like how they come to the forecast, why they have the forecast, and how they got to that prediction. You can see what the different banks, for example, if CPI comes out, you can see all the different banks, what they have hedged on, and that type of thing. So you can see a lot more in depth having a terminal, but it's purely for news and stuff like that. You obviously do get different types, but we've got a routers terminal. So yeah, sorry guys, I was trying to see if we could bring it up somehow for you, but we'll figure out a way. Then I can actually bring it up on screen sometimes for you, especially if you're trading news. Afternoon, G's and Chad. Bearish, but one positive DXY news. Wait, what are we talking about there, King Shack? Playlist number 1. G's Chad Slash, what's up, my boy? I love when Jeff says sweep and change of character. Afternoon, Chad and Keeks. Love the simple analysis, gents. Yeah, straight to the point with New York. How's your GJ trade going, Keeks? We can have a look at it quickly. I haven't even looked at it. What's it doing now? Just literally at break even. Just see a little bit of drawdown. Yeah, so this is our swing trade from this morning. Still in this thing. So we'll see what happens. We hit TP1 and then it was almost a straight turnaround. So as I say, I'm completely set and forget on this one. It is a complete research and development on this trade. So literally, like, I'm not even thinking about it. That thing must just play out. Let's go back here to gold. We still got 10 minutes till market open, guys. Hey fellas, what's up, Ed? What's up, Chad? How's it, Keys and Jeff? What's up, my brother? I'm doing good, and you, man? How you, Jevio? I have a strong feeling markets going to consolidate till FOMC. I'm in some 8 gold longs at the moment. Yeah, I also think it's really going to consolidate. We're talking about it that there's a small window, I think, for now in New York to trade. Was a response to what Jeff was saying. Oh, okay. Mostly that news terminal ain't cheap. Yearly sub fee in dollars, I think we heard. Yeah, they're not that cheap, brother. But yeah, yearly subs are in dollars. What's your swaps for your swing trades, Keeks? Bro, I actually can't even tell you. Like I said, I haven't swung in a long time. So I actually haven't even thought about that or looked at that yet. So I can't give you an honest answer right now, brother. Etienne Chad, what's up? What's up, Kiki, Speedo, and Mr. Shaw?
What's up, Eddie? Etienne?
Wait, Keeks, what did you say now you have, lol? I misheard, man. Routers terminal. That's what we were talking about that we use. But John, what were you saying about FOMC? Because I gave a deep analysis about it this morning. But yeah, you didn't even say anything. What's your thoughts on FOMC?
I want dollar to go up. I think so. What's been happening recently is it spikes a lot. So I think if price holds this level currently and just stays here, I think we're gonna have a quick spike down and then go up. Or alternatively, just a strong sharp push to the upside.
Yeah. Okay. Routers terminal is banging. We have one at work as well. Yeah, well, there you go, guys. Fabo, I want to tell you, they are insane. I always say to people, you don't think you need it until you have it, and then you see how advanced and in depth it just gives you so much more knowledge and insight. If you're a guy, for example, that literally, like those guys that switch off for news, like if there's news coming out, they literally turn off their terminal and like go play golf or something, and they'll come back tomorrow, then there's no point in you having one. Because like I say, this isn't even a thing of, when I say guys have these, even then it's not an idea to put you on edge to trade the news, like enter before, but it gives you that edge to trade afterwards. Do you understand the direction the market's going in? News trading is great for the heart. Yeah, bro, if you want heart attacks. To be fair, we actually spoke about this with Mo. I said you have to at least like trade news, like trade news. EU melted like drama on my grandpa's. Oh my word. Damn, guys. Is it called Icon? What, the terminal? What you asking about, Slash? Let's see. But obviously you get different ones. You get your Bloomberg terminal as well, all of those things. So think of it this way. Bloomberg's like your... Bloomberg's nice, but Bloomberg's like your Woolworths. You don't have to have it, but people just like it because they get to say they shop at Woolworths. That's pretty much it. And I mean, Fabio will probably be able to tell you the same thing. There really isn't that much of a difference having Bloomberg and having a Reuters. How's shorts in USD looking? They are looking good, but we want to see what it does at that support area.
I'm very tempted to buy gold.
Why?
It's just well, pattern obviously waiting for that tap in for price to come to that level, but then it's like, yo, gold's been such a crazy pay. This will be my first time trading it probably in a month.
Yeah, I'm trying to think when last you traded gold.
Yeah, I've been waiting for market to slow down a bit.
Yeah, so the thing is, you can't just go like on a website and do it. You actually fill out forms and you apply for it. And then like anyone can still get it, but you apply, but you have to say what the reason is, why do you need a terminal, like all of these type of things. Once they then understand that, then they send you back basically a quote. Keenan, afternoon, brother.
Afternoon, Keenan. Welcome. You've been quiet in the chat.
He's always here. He's always here, though. God Raven, brother. I've answered like 3 times now about the shorts in US study. You don't need to keep spamming it, bro. 4 minutes till market open, guys. I'll try to be as much as I can, King.
That's good. It's good.
I want to become a market maker. Give me the tip. Oh, Ed. But out of interest sake, so Fabio, do you still have access to all the same stuff then if you've also got a routers at work? Because yeah, it's interesting. So like, are you allowed to use it in that sense? So for example, like when we have CPI, NFP, things like that coming out, are you allowed to use it to look at? Two minutes, guys. Keep in mind, guys, obviously just another heads up, going to US into FOMC tonight. Those are just our statements and stuff. The press conference is where everything comes alive. So just remember that, you will see volatility as they're going to start going over statements. They're going to talk about the previous things from the previous one. But this press conference is where it comes alive. So just keep that in mind. I use it for work only, use it for value research, financial assets, and get curves and not for personal. Okay, I'll check you, bro. No, I just wanted to ask, because like I said, I know they are quite, they are expensive things. So I just wanted to see, like, would your company let you use it at all for like personal stuff, or do you get in trouble. Like I don't want to go too much into your personal life, but yeah, that's just I know guys and even companies are actually very kind of strict with it. That's just the same reason why when you get them, they actually have to fill out forms first. Why do you want it? So yeah, it's just asking for that reason, brother. I couldn't sit in with you guys yesterday as well as this morning, but I'm here now just soaking up trading nuggets from the G's. Awesome to have you back with us, brother. Probably we need to have a bit of a chat here in the Peaches group. What about the trade, the GBP JPY trade? We're still in it, in a little bit of a drawdown when I checked earlier, but we are still in it. Still in the GJ trade. Just in time for the bell. Of course you are, brother. And there we go, guys. Markets are open. Round 2, baby. Fight.
Oh, okay. Gold's at that zone. So let's see if we can get a closure. Let's just see if we can get a closure. I wouldn't just smack it here. If we can just get a 1 minute close, I'm going to take a buy in gold. I broke my rules trading pre-FOMC and I'm probably going to hit stop loss. Unlucky, brother. Wow, what's wrong? I cannot flip bullish, but it's like it just mustn't flip too far away.
I want to sell gold, bro.
You want to sell gold?
I want to sell gold.
Oh, once it breaks below that low, or once you have a retest.
Yeah, maybe I'm going to probably. Now since the press conference isn't like a one statement thing, what's the best thing to go about to catch it? Do you watch it and wait till you hear whether they're doing rate cuts or probably not or what? So Edgar, so again, this is where it comes in clutch. When you have a terminal, it's like think of someone that like got summarizing notes for you. So the minute there's a statement that's there, they basically got guys that the minute that thing comes out, poof, they send it through to you. So when that conference is going on, even on a terminal, you get all the headlines, tweets, statements. So that's why whenever we talk about you here, we see yen and that go off, and Chris normally asks me to check the terminal if there's that, because it comes down the side. So you get normal white things, which is normal just tweets, things like this. Anything that's important comes out bright red. So anything that's coming out in that FOMC press conference will come out bright red. So for me, I don't even need to watch the press conference. Obviously you can, but I can literally just sit there, just put the terminal on and just watch, because it will, the minute he says and that's important, it will come through over there. So basically, as I said, now where that comes in is where we gave you that rundown this morning. I'm just gonna look for
sorry, cookies. I'm gonna take a shot here.
Okay, hold on, I'm gonna put it on the screen now.
Stop loss will be 30 pips.
What's that on, brother?
On gold. So let me just put the watermark on here.
So you buying, eh?
I'm buying it.
Okay.
So here's your entry. Let me just put the price label on here for the grade 4s at the back.
But yeah, sorry, so as the same one, you can see what Jeff's doing. Basically, I just wait, and then once he says something, remember that's gonna be volatility because they're gonna ask him different questions. So I want to wait until he says something that shocks them, that they go down that avenue. Because once they go down that avenue, they'll keep with those questions, and that's where you'll always see there's that volatility, and then there's that point where it just decides to go off one day, because that's normally he's answered something and now the guys they're interested in that, and that's where they choose to keep asking on those questions, and then the market goes in one direction after that. So unless he goes and he says something like what I was talking about, he goes and says, listen, we're doing rate cuts, then that's an immediate sell. Like just sell the hell out of anything, obviously inverse to the dollar. Like, you know what I'm saying, you're looking for headlining things that I spoke about in that bullish and bearish blocks. So you're just going to monitor for him to mention and talk about any of those things. All right, so you in there, Jeff?
Yes, I'm in. And then we'll go break even.
SMC versus key levels. We're going to see. Yeah, I would hear Chris say, check the terminal. Yeah, send the signal. This is the Bloomberg terminal, the routers, but they're the same thing. One's just, again, one's your Mr. Price, one's Woolworths. That's it. 50-minute shuffle. Jev doesn't have a 50-minute shuffle. That meant there's a quick 3-minute shuffle.
Yeah, react based on what price shows me.
If he mentions rate cuts, do we buy or sell? Rate cuts means weakness for the dollar, or am I wrong? Rate cuts mean weakness. So you want to inverse it. So if he says rate cuts, that means weaker dollar. So if you're doing anything yen pairs, like where it's the first currency, so USD, JPY, you can then sell because that will go off. If you have to go euro and then anything that's inverse, so dollar is the second thing. So gold, XAU, USD, you buy. Euro, USD, you buy. GBP, USD, you buy. Thanks so much. Your indices, you then buy because it's inverse to dollar.
Yeah, sorry about that. Okay.
Thanks, Keys. That makes a lot of sense. Perfect, brother. Glad I can help. Mr. V is back, baby.
I won't even say anything once.
Naz, have the day set. Let's see if we can flash. Okay, thanks, Keys. Appreciate it anytime, guys. Yeah, so Jev's running some moves there. We're gonna see Naz at the highs. USD, I want to see a test that zone again. Gold, I want to sell, but I want to sell a little bit higher. So technically, I think it's where. What is that green thing on your screen? That green line?
It's my break-even point.
Okay, so your break-even point is my entry point.
Okay.
Yeah, by the looks of it. Yeah. So, but again, that I have to first get a rejection from that. If that thing just budges through, it's not like I enter the minute it touches that zone. So, if that thing pumps, I don't enter the trade, and Jeff can sit there happily with his buy. If it gives me any form of rejection of that zone, I'll enter the sell. DXY is taking the highs, so that is looking nice for us. Jeff and I in the same boat. Yeah, King, hopefully maybe Jeff can help push it back up there for you, brother.
Yeah, no, got the market maker on speed dial.
My terminal is Twitter. Must be like China Mall version. So Jeff push liquidity, then Keegan push liquidity back. Keegs is Chris. Yeah, he's away, brother. He's away for the rest of the week. Let's push there, baby. Let's push there.
Wait, what? What happened to WhatsApp me your signal?
It happened so quickly.
No. Same thing with Keegan. Keegan be like, bro, I thought you.
I'm not in anything.
No, it happens enough.
Keegan wants to sell it, so if I go break even, Keegan sells, then I'll be able to sell with him. Where I go break even, he's gonna sell. So
I am concerned, not gonna lie. My boy Mo is already in a trade. Once he asks, we know lol. Oh, top trader South Africa. Love the work you guys do. Oh, Mbile, what's
awesome,
up, brother?
Man.
Good to see you there, my man. Really appreciate the kind words. Really appreciate the kind words, brother. Very excited. I don't want to put you on the spot, but the guys keep asking when those episodes are going to be out. I know they are very excited for it. But I mean, we're also very excited. But big shout out to the boys there. Oh, yeah, that's another thing, bro. Remember we kept telling you guys we were how you guys influenced us now with your podcast setup. I promise you, we got back. Chris and I ordered new lights. He's got RGB lights. We've got a backdrop.
Sorry, Keeks, just a quick one. Guys, I don't want this count to flip bearish, so I'm gonna just adjust my stop to this low. So just a quick management there.
Okay, perfect. New camera. So you guys definitely influenced us there, brother. Home for top trader, baby. Yeah. Yes, Chad, Keys, and Jeff. How you guys watch the movie Dumb Money? Yeah, very cool movie. top trader in the building. Top trader South Africa, welcome to Peach Nation. Normally when this happens, which is like never, I normally just sit this one out. So yeah, the thing is, guys, it tested that zone perfectly for me. I'm quickly going to jump to my screen just so you guys can see what I'm looking at. That is that rejection zone over there. So I am really just keeping a look on for this here. As I said, I can't just get off there. I want to see it at least push in, show me that rejection with a close below, and then that next retest and break off when we flip bearish again. I will then be in the sells. So until I can get that, I'm not just jumping the gun a little bit too early for that. So Jev's bars can still look very good at this point. What's that time?
So Mastery Manifest, low of the day, demand zone, pivot, half round number, 2150, change of character, fair value gap. What else? I think that's it.
Oh, we're excited to see the new set, bro. I promise you, when the podcast is set up. Are you still in Cape Town at the moment? Are you guys busy with your trip? We go up next week. And then I think we actually only have the setup when we're back, the new setup. I don't know if we'll be running that because that's kind of going to be on the road. But I think when we have that new setup, bro, we'll send you guys a little photo there. Just because of the inspiration. Good afternoon, fam. What's up, Turtle Trayer? Alright, so we're getting those retests again. I want a bit more of a retest into it. So we'll just see what happens there. Jeff for the Bulls. Pray for me. Jex, what are you in, brother? Cells. Oh, cells are looking very, very good, my man. Very, very nice. On the high of the day. Turning around. Very, very nice. Break even already. Beautiful, brother. Beautiful move. US study, as I say, guys, for me, maybe we get something. Yeah, I'm actually going to watch this since I'll have... I am watching US study in the background. I'm going to leave it on Jev's screen for you guys just because that is a trade you are currently in. I am watching US 30. US 30 is at our zone as well. So if we start getting a rejection, can definitely look at the sales on US 30. Otherwise, the continuation buys on that. So I'll keep you guys updated if I enter there. But as I said, I'll leave it on Jev's screen for now as that is a running trade.
Just want to see a 1 minute close above this level, then we can go break even. So, few seconds left.
Yeah, gold for me not rejecting there, guys, so I can't take anything there on that gold sell. Keys, hope Chris comes back with
Alright,
the
we
hairline.
have that closure. Going break even on gold.
Hey. There we go, guys. You're now in a beautiful little gold trade there. I'm not training this week, but I learned so much with watching and listening. Oh, Mikey, appreciate the kind words, brother. Really, really appreciate the kind words, my man. Chat snipping, no demos. Yeah, 3-minute charts and all, Jeff.
Yeah. Just following the rules. Nothing too special. Just gonna run through it real quick.
Nas melting off beautifully. USD. Can USD give us something here, Chad? Jeff being modest. Mangzar, that's me next week. Laptop going in for repairs. Nas bleeding. Oof. Nas Jackson, a beautiful one there. That thing is just continuing to mount there. Might take a shot at gold now. Mindset on what do you want to do, brother? Buy it now, Andy. Or what are you wanting to do? Bum, 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 bum. Wouldn't be here without the Chad, Keys, Jeff, and Chris. Much love, Oaks. Oh, really appreciate it, brother. But man has been clapping the markets. Live with rejection and short. Keys, give us FOMC outlook, short or long. Start off with the year. I don't know, Vince. We already went through that, bro. London session, we went through all of that juicy stuff. Oh, Jevo, gold running nicely there, brother.
Yeah, Nia, I'm very happy. Very happy.
Very, very nice trade, brother. Jev, is this on the funded account?
Yes, it is.
Hey, wait, so how much up is that?
So I was scared, so I only risked 0.2%.
Why, Jev?
I probably won't even make 1%.
Why? Where the hell? You up 2%. Why would you come with a 0.2?
Just following my rules.
There's no freaking rules for that. Yes.
When I was not told, no, I did kind of look myself in the mirror and like, you dumb
That's
asshole.
why the whole thing about securing the ones in the whole time is so that now when you have this, you don't have to be scared. You could have gone 1% and that probably passes you your account.
Yeah, shit, man. So when this hits, I'll probably need like
Another 0.00006%.
and probably another 2% probably, or just more than that.
Aye, Jeff.
Jakes, it's not gas, bro. It's called crystal meth. I also hope so, Ed. I also hope so. Are we taking it slow? No need to rush it. Taking it slow.
Alright, now you take it slow. What did you risk on the other accounts? On the other trades?
1%.
The man's up and now he risks less. Jev. Those wires are back to front there, brother. As you want us to go, yeah. Gains is gains, Jev. That's it, guys. Yeah, Peter, he did break it down. Or I even printed and shared with our boys in the WhatsApp.
Mo, I don't know if you listening in, but I only risked 0.2%. So I'm actually kind of kicking myself right now.
Man would have literally had a live account right now. I'm just putting it out there, Jeff. What's your bias on EU? Your friend live already. Loves to play skis. What's the mix called? It is South African deep house and 3-step mix. Wait, who am I responding to? Yeah, now. WJR, my stop loss is in profit, gonna trail it. It could be a huge move down to Pretorius, yeah. What do you think? We're talking about the NAS one, yeah, brother. Definitely could be a huge move.
So Cameron, I'm doing a 5k challenge, and also reason for that is because my first challenge, I did a 50k account. Basically, literally almost passed my phase 1. And I didn't understand like the whole drawdown thing. Then the next day, I lost the account, I breached it. Then I think I tried 50k again, failed it. Then I was like 10k, and it's like, no, I have to start small. Hey my man, you're from India, we're from South Africa. Yeah, AB, start small. Like when I got into the funded thing, I obviously saw massive payouts, and that's also what kind of, I wouldn't say sold me an illusion, because obviously you can get big payouts, but then because I was so fixated on like huge amounts, like that obviously had a negative effect on my psychology whenever I breached. So start small. I also thought about it first with the 5k challenge, like my payout won't be that big, $500, but then again, $500 is money you didn't have. And if you think about it, let's just think in terms of survival, grocery money, rent money. That's money that literally, if you have 1 to 5k accounts, you can pay all your monthly expenses. Vault Funder, Cameron.
I'm from Mars.
Okay, I think we can actually move our stop into profit. So let's say about 10 pips. So 10 pips into profit. Oh no.
Big numbers hit harder, yeah. Makes so much more sense. Beautiful trade, Jeff. No, it was definitely a beautiful trade.
That was actually a very beautiful trade, like 0 drawdown.
Yeah, no, it was a perfect trade, bro. I'm proud of you for that one.
Aw, thank you,
That
TX.
was a good one, bro.
Yo, so don't you think last night I have the most traumatizing dream ever? I can't remember what happened exactly, but in my dream, me and Michaela lost our baby. Not like in the sense of we don't know where the baby is. And it felt so real. This morning I woke up confused. Chadwell, it's a mix Keegan is playing.
I'm checking for you now, Ed. So there hasn't been any tweet or statements about the pound. Oh, look, yeah, quickly. Nah, nothing looks like it's been revised or anything like that, bro. My boy started to train FMC tonight. Him and Fabio, GJ pumped. I get you, broski. You got this. Don't worry, Jeff and I had a dream my day before my daughter was born. It's a trip.
Yeah, it's really, yeah. You never realize actually how you feel about something until something happens.
GJ trade then came back to tap me in. Hey. Job's dad is to protect at all costs. Yeah, respect for that. Is Jakinen.
Avi, it's not the cheese, bro. I've been at the office the whole day.
Not the whole day.
True though. However, still innocent. Yeah, no, that's very true, Keenan. That's very true. Yo, bro, that's one of my. So, Slushy, here's a story real quick. I read this on Reddit. So, there's this couple that had a baby. Whenever the baby is difficult, take the baby for like a drive. It's only when the baby calms down. So, they in the shop. So they go do shopping. The husband and the wife. The husband gets the baby gets difficult. The husband decides, look here, you do shopping. I'll take the baby for a drive real quick. He gets back. Before he goes back into the shop, he gets a phone call. And now the baby's like sitting there, but he's watching the baby. Now they used to people coming up to them and saying like, "Oh, your baby's so cute," and so forth and so forth. Oh, there we go, guys. TP hit. Oh, ho, ho, ho. TP hit.
Hey, Jevo, here we go, brother. Oh, beautiful
Nice.
one there.
So yeah, then this lady walks up to him, and then she just takes his baby, and she walks off. So obviously in your mind, like this woman just took my child, so he runs towards her. He takes the baby back, and then people see this, and men start rushing towards him because they're thinking he's trying to kidnap this kid, and they start beating the shit out of this guy. The wife comes out of the store. She's thinking that her husband's getting robbed, and the first thing she sees is this woman walking off with a baby. Long story short, police came. The woman who took the baby was never found. Nice.
Damn. But y'all guys, send some W's in the chat for my boy Jev. You guys are in that trade. Beautiful, beautiful trade today. Guys are being fed those W's, yeah. Here we go, guys. My boy delivering, yeah, today.
It's been a minute, eh?
Smashed. Yeah, no, guys, that was a beautiful, beautiful trade. Well ups to my boy.
So just 1.1% to go. If only I kept on holding.
Or if you just had a bigger flipping lot on it. Hey. Real traders, there we go. And again, guys, this thing is not an ego thing. I wanted my sell. Didn't get my at all reason for me to sell. And I said if I didn't, I'd back it off, and then Jev's in the bar. And the man had a perfect bar.
Maybe we get oil too.
Oh yeah, the Jev. Don't do that. Don't do that now, Jev.
Yeah, Ndobo. I don't I don't just pull things out of my ass when I speak. Nah, I'm just gonna get too tempted now. I'm done for the day.
Call it, bro. Call it.
I'm done for the day. Even though everything looks so tempting, because it's exactly what the devil wants me to do.
No, just chill it out now. Chill out. You got it, bro. It was a beautiful trade. I wouldn't. Don't kill it now. But there you go, guys. You had a beautiful, beautiful trade there with my boy. Again, nothing really on the cards. FOMC, and that's the thing. What did we tell you guys about? I said when we started the stream, you wanted to be in that trade of that window. Jeff got in. He's out of the trade by just after 4. And I said this is that window that volume's going to come in. You got to be there if you want it, because after that, most pairs are going to consolidate. NAS had its move, consolidate. Gold had its move now. Going to start consolidating. US30 had its move. Now it's just parking the bus as well. So again, that was it. I really don't think you're going to get anything else now. Take your hands away from that mouse, Jeff. All we do is win. Yeah, that's it, guys.
So just to answer Dave there, how did I spot that sniper entry? All toward my mentorship program, my man. If you want to learn to do that, come speak to me.
Game Zone. What did Game Zone do? I don't know what's going on here. But yeah, nice, Jeff. Alright, guys. But I think then, Jeff, I think we might even call it there, bro. Might be short, sweet, easy. We fed the guys their TP and call it a day. We're not going to sit here for another 20 minutes just to chat. I told you I'm not going to take anything after this time now. You got the move. It was beautiful. And that is pretty much it. You happy with that, Jeff?
Oh yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Man's got his TPs. He can call it a day nice and early. But I think, yeah, guys, that is literally perfect. Spot on. Nothing I would have done differently myself. Managed it right. Didn't get greedy. Walked away. Beautiful, beautiful trade from Jeff today. Away from me, but nice trade.
Dave, you can message me on Instagram or on Telegram.
What do you mean? Like, I don't leave you stupid comments here. Yeah, okay, guys, let's just keep it clean in the chat. My brother's doing something else, but he's doing his own thing, so let's just keep it clean in the chat. If it gets out of hand, then literally one of the guys can always happily time him out. Top Trader South Africa, loved watching you guys work. Oh, that's why Jeff put on a show. He knew he had some eyes on him here today. He's like, watch me cook, guys. Watch me cook.
Nah, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it.
But yeah, guys,
love doing this.
I think then that is probably going to be it for the session today. So you're just a heads up again, guys. Public holiday tomorrow. So literally, we are out of office. We are taking a break. So won't be anything going on from our side over there. But Friday we are back. There won't be a New York session on Friday, but we will do a London session, myself and Jeff again. Vince, I'm already got you covered, brother. Don't you worry.
Just for gaming zone, whatever his name is, my man, it's not luck. You can even go to my channel. Just go watch Alchemy Day 1. Just watch Day 1 and go back test it. Then you can come tell me it's luck.
All right. But there you guys have it. So as I say, guys, unfortunately, we won't see you guys tomorrow. Spend some time with your loved ones. Stay safe. Be safe. Enjoy your time. We gave you guys your outlook for FOMC tonight. So if you haven't, go back to the opening bell session this morning. You can find it there, screenshotted, printed out, and you can look at that while you look at FOMC tonight. But other than that, again, we're going to miss you guys. We're going to see you guys on Friday morning, bright and early. But other than that, it's always been good. Thanks for joining again today, Jeff. Thanks for providing the guys with a banger. And we're going to see you guys on the flip side.
Always love it to be here. I just wish there's another PC, another camera, another light so we can all stream at once.
But there we go, guys. Cheers from my boy. We're going to see you guys on Friday. Peace and love, baby. Cheers, cheers.
And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. and they stay there, and they say yeah, and they stay there. Cause all I do is win, win, win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make them stay there.
Ludacris going in on the verse, cause I never been defeated and I won't stop now. Keep your hands up, get them in the sky for the homies that ain't making it, my folks locked down. I never went nowhere, but they saying Luda's back. Blame it on that contour, the hood call it Luda-yak. And I'm on this foolish track, so I spit my foolish flow. My hands go up and down, like strippers' booties go. My verses still be serving, tight like a million virgins. Last time on a college remix, now I'm on the original version. Can't never count me out, y'all better count me in. Got 20 bank accounts, accountants count me in. Make millions every year, the South's champion. Cause all I do, all I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they stay there. Cause all I do is win, win, win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make them stay there.
Swerving in my low, head on the swivel, you know serving me's a no-no. Clean as a whistle as I pull out in my Rolls Royce. Yellow bone passenger, they see it, they say, oh boy. Tell Cali, back it up, my niggas call me loco. Down for armed trafficking, don't make me pull that fofo. Ask you what you laughing at, represent that mud life. Dirty money, bitch, you better get your mud right. We come together holding hands and holler hood life. We all strapping all black, it's like Bud Light.
All we do is win.
You riding or what? Cause we riding tonight. Now you riding with me cause you wasn't riding.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they stay there. Cause all I do is win, win, win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make them stay there.
Heat in the kitchen, hot on the stove, water getting boiled, dope being sold, Snoopy in the hootie, system overload. I've been running this rap game since I was 20 years old. I hung with the worst of them, bust till I burst them up, floss them up, toss them up, harder way, close them up. Pardon me, I'm bossing up, brace you up, bless you bro, don't mess with us. We like the U in the 80s. Back to back, set a track, hit the lick, get it back, get the trick, jump the track. Bitch, I want my money back. Time and time again, while I'm sipping on this gin. Al Davis said it best, just win, baby, win.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get it